call me Triple A.
Woo! Man, she pumps. Hey guys, so we're back again. Hopefully this will be the last repair video until I get this thing on the road, because like I said, the rego's booked in next Wednesday. So I'm just trying to get it all tidied up before then. I've already got my roadworthy, but there's just a few more things that I wanted to tick off that list. We're going to be doing the injector filter kit, rocker cover gasket, ignition barrel and door locks, and the front indicators. I'm going to put grey ones on there today to match up the front grille a bit better, because I'd bought chrome ones previously, but yeah, I think until I put a chrome grille on the front, I'm better off taking that off and then just having the grey side indicators to match. But yeah, so we're getting really close. You know, I think like I said, next Wednesday I'll be going in and getting rego. I've sorted out my insurance. Now I just got to I've been trying to track down some parts. I'm trying to do this on obviously a budget, just like anyone else would do, but I found for the rear bag kit, because of the way I'm doing it, I don't need to buy like a Minitruck bag kit. I can actually get away with, if I could get a second-hand Commodore bag kit, I could pretty much use that and just make my own brackets to suit. Yeah, I'm sort of leaning down that way. I found a few, but no one likes to reply to their messages, which is annoying. Yeah, the main thing I think I'll have to buy brand new, because I just haven't been able to find them second-hand, is the drop spindles for the front. For 650 bucks, I think, for the pair. I'll order them, and then the bag kit, you can get a generic bag kit for about $1,800 for the rear, but I kind of don't really want to spend that much money, so I'm sort of hoping I can find something for around $1,000 to $1,200. You know, otherwise if I have to, I'll just buy brand new. As it's meant to be just a little run around ute, I don't want to go spending fucking 20-30 grand on it, you know, like I do with all my other cars. So I'd rather just try and get it on the road, make it a little bit of fun. The only thing I will be doing down the track, I just want to drive it for a year or so, even 6 months. Might even end up doing this through winter, to be honest, so it might even not be that long, but I'd just like to drive it for a few months and make sure mechanically it's in really good condition. It seems to be so far, apart from that misfire, which I think the filter kit should hopefully fix that, so we'll find out today. The only thing I thought, if the filter kit doesn't fit it, is maybe the MAF sensor's no good, because it looks pretty old. I think it's a factory one, so if this doesn't fix it, then I guess I'll order a MAF sensor. But yeah, once I know that it runs good, I'm actually going to order a turbo kit for it. So I'm not going to run big boost or nothing. I would probably just run 6 to 7 PSI. I just reckon it'd be cool to have the intercooler in the front, dosing in my Minitruck. So yeah. Anyway, I think that's enough chit chat. Let's start getting into this thing. One thing I did think about was that the number plates are going to have to come off for me to put the new plates on at Vic Road, so I just wanted to make sure that they were both removable. You can see this screws here is stripped, and that's what I was worried about. You don't want to get down to Vic Roads and then you can't get the screws out. So we'll have a look at the rear, but I think I'm going to have to cut that one off and fix that. So the rear is actually pop riveted on, so I'm like glad I've seen that. So we'll drill out these pop rivets and put some screws in there so that we can swap them over at Vic Roads. So I doubt I'll actually have to replace this whole mechanism, because generally keys will come out, there'll be like a pin, which is probably that hole here. So what we need is something to push on that. Usually turn the key to the on position. There we go. Boom. They've obviously just sent that because sometimes people, they've obviously just sent this whole thing because sometimes people will drill out the ignition barrel to get it out because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. So, well, they might not have the key. I will keep this as a spare because I might end up needing that ignition switch one day. But for now, let's go chuck this bit in. Cool. Now we have a key that actually doesn't just pull straight out of the barrel, because this one, even with the key turned on, started the car, you can just pull the key out. So we'll keep this barrel as a spare. I might put it back in that housing, but at least we know that we've got it all sorted. We've got a good key now. Now to do the door locks. Man, she pumps.
Yeah. Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi. They know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go. Why suicidal? Hanging with the low. I'm a legend. I'm a fixer, painting portraits. Get the picture, like the paper, not the swisher. I'm your elder. Call me Mister. Call me Mister. Y'all should probably do the math. I done been to hell and back. Remo had me in the ass. White boys hitting dabs. Went from bummy to your girl probably bumped me. Thoughts of things turn a 5 to dime. Nothing to something. It's a classic tale like The Alchemist. Mama would be proud of this. Wonder where I'd be without this shit. Probably dining out and shit. Be easy just like the alphabet. Might wanna reroute your shit. You ain't about this shit. No, you don't want these problems like calculus. How to master the bad ones, I done passed them up. She just fell in love with me and I ain't even had to fuck. Kamikaze, blinded by the lights, paparazzi. They know I'm a gold mine. Everybody